Giraffe Referral credits usually fail when the invite link isn't properly tied to the new user's first install, or when tracking gets broken by device switching, VPN use, or delayed account verification. That means both users can complete everything correctly and still see zero referral reward. By the end, you'll know exactly why Giraffe referrals don't credit, and how to fix it so your invite rewards actually show up. First thing to check is timing of the install. Referral systems only track correctly when the invited user installs and opens the app directly through the referral link before doing anything else. If the app was installed earlier or opened without the link active, the referral connection is lost immediately. In that case, the only working fix is uninstalling the app and reinstalling it through the correct referral link, then opening it right away. Next is device and account matching. Giraffe uses device ID and Google account signals to confirm referrals are real. If the invited user already had the app installed before, or previously used the same device, the system will often reject the referral automatically. The safest setup is a completely fresh install on a device that has never run Giraffe before. Network changes can also break referral tracking. If the install happens on Wi-Fi, and the first launch happens on mobile data, or a VPN, the referral link can fail to bind properly. Use one stable internet connection from install through first app launch. Another common issue is delayed crediting. Some referrals don't appear instantly because the system waits for validation from completed actions, not just installs. That means even if the referral worked, credits can take time to show in your account. Battery and background restrictions can also interfere. If the app is restricted immediately after install, tracking data may never fully sync. Set Giraffe to allow background activity before starting the referral process so it can complete verification steps. If none of that works, the referral likely wasn't registered at install level. In that case, support is the only option. You'll need the referral link, install time, and device details so they can manually check eligibility. To summarize, referral issues usually come from broken install tracking, reused devices, or unstable network switching during setup. Fix those in order, and most missing referrals start crediting properly. The next step is simple. Always install directly from the referral link without opening the app first. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Giraffe fixes and reward app troubleshooting guides.